Okay, welcome to the last week. So we're going to do something different. I've been trying to make this course quite applied, very much. We took linear regression. We sort of look when it breaks down, and so when it breaks down, what do we do? And we've looked at logistic regression, Poisson regression, all these various things. What I'm going to do now, because it is a third year maths course, we're going to go a bit mathematical. We're going to go and ask the question. We know that when we were looking at parameterization for categorical variables, we had these different ways that R did it. We had the reference level and the zero sum. But if you think about it, both scenarios are representing one single concept, that there is a categorical variable, and we just got different representations. And so what we're going to do is we're going to abstract linear regression. We're going to go back and we're going to go away and we're going to look at it as basically subspaces. We're going to look at statistics in terms of subspaces and show that to some extent the whole idea of linear regression is that we are projecting things down onto subspaces. And also asking the question which at some point you should have asked yourself, which is, why is it the variance you divide by n minus 1? Now, we've said it's because it's some bias and stuff like that, but to some extent it's also because the subspace that represents the residuals has a dimension in subspace dimensions of n minus 1. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to break it down slowly. We're going to have a recap of your pure mathematics, your subspaces, in case it doesn't, you don't remember it or you never even understood it. We're then going to show that what a linear model is and how to do that and go from there. So a nice interesting week. There's not going to be a case study. There will be a tube, but that tube will be on stuff on ridge regression, so that's it. So there also won't be a quiz on this sort of stuff, and there won't, obviously we've already done this time, so there won't be assignment. Finally, you do have a test this week, test 3. Now, what I've done is I've gone back to 6 questions, as I said. Remember, we went up to 8, and everyone found that a bit time constraint, so I've gone back to 6. You got 6 questions, and they're based on weeks 9, 10, and 11, not on this week. So again, you've got an hour to do those. Once you start, you have that single hour. You can do them anytime between 9 a.m. Monday and 5 p.m. Friday. So that's it this week. We've got a nice sort of theoretical thing to, challenge you, make you think about it. I think it's pretty interesting stuff. I quite enjoy this sort of stuff. You've got a test to do and you've got a tube. Okay, see you in the next video.